and welcome to Keaton's Outdoor Adventures. Today, we're at the Forest Valley area, and you can see that the ice is the creek is starting to fill up from all the snow that's going down and making the runoff, which is good. You know, we need a runoff, and so I got some good news, and for first thing is Happy Easter. It's finally Easter, but I got some news of the date I am going camping at. On July 21st to July 28th, I'll be camping at Spring Glen, which that'll be pretty fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I also want to do a shout out to all of you fans of mine, because we reached 1,086 subscribers, well, followers. Yeah, so thank you for doing that, and have a great day. So it's absolutely beautiful right here, and you can see that there's still snow, which we got the March snow, which we got more snow in March, which is good. But yeah, it's going to hopefully snow more this week, so yeah, it'll be good. So if you want to know, I'm hopefully going to go fishing either this week or sometime this month, but I'm hoping to go catch some perch out of the Riverstone Pond in Lethbridge. I've never caught a perch yet, and even though they're tiny, I'll just see how tiny they are. If they're really tiny, I might throw them back. If they're okay size, I'll keep them. But like, perch don't get very big, so yeah. You can hear there's a whole bunch of birds out there, and they're just singing. Yeah. This is what I love about spring. That's awesome, isn't it? So as you can see, there's a nice little spot right here. Is what I do always when I see a nice little spot. Relax and enjoy nature. This is beautiful. Yeah. Keep filming. Yeah. This is one of my favorite parts about coming out here. Is enjoying nature and, you know, listening to the birds, as you can hear them. Yep. They just enjoying nature. This is a beautiful Easter morning. Yep. And nice to be out here, relaxing, you know, keeping warm. Yep. This is really nice. So, as you can see, there's this forest area. Pretty beautiful. Yeah. One thing to see every day. You don't see this every day. No. Yeah. Oh, doves. Do you see them?
Sorry, Mark.
So as you can see, the grass is starting to become green again, which that means spring is here, and it's and when in the summer, one of the things I'm most excited about in the summer is going camping. I am so excited for it. I am so hyped up, and I got myself a tent, and there's also a lot of whitefish in the Belly River. And if you didn't know, a couple years ago, I did think you weren't allowed to keep pike out of there, but supposedly you can. So, yeah, you can keep fish, and the down by Spring Glen, there's a great place for whitefish. So, yeah. So as you can see, there's a stump right here, and you know me, I love sitting on stumps, which I think this was cut off because it's a little wiggly. So, yep, this area is a really beautiful area. You can see the lamb's ear right here. That's a plant, and why they call it lamb's ears because when you feel it, it's nice and soft like lamb. Like if you feel a sheep's ear or lamb's ear, you can hear the swans there. They're right there. Yep. Yeah, the swans are out again, and yeah, they're flying pretty low today, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and this is a beautiful area, and yeah. So as you can see, oh, they're turning. So the swans they've been coming through here. We're just gonna see if they're gonna come and turn a little bit, you know. So, yeah, as if you didn't know, those were called trumpeter swans, right? And they're the largest bird in Northern America, and yeah, they're also the largest bird in Canada, which we're in Alberta, but North America is part of Canada too. So, yeah, it's pretty cool, and yep, and it's a bluebird. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, thanks for watching this video. Now we saw quite a bit of birds today, which that's pretty good, and yeah, it's a beautiful day, and we saw some swans, we saw some robin, we saw some geese, but the geese weren't on camera, but I also saw a marmot today, and yeah, so we saw a lot of things today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week.